Yeah, sorry, I had a call, so my network have to disconnect. So let's continue. So Jacob, as I was saying, we were told that we are to find the expected portfolio return. So in an attempt to find the portfolio expected return, you must know your weights. And in knowing your weights, how much am I pumping into the investment? 50. So 50 over 100. 50 over 100. So 0.5 on the left-hand side, 0.5 in also B. So at the end of the day, I multiply the 0.5 by the 0.07, 0.5 by the 0.09. I get 0.08 as my 8%. And I went ahead and I say that without the weights, you cannot find the expected portfolio return. So if you have not been given the weight, then you must find the weight. If you have been given two investments without a weight, we assume a 50-50 for the two. When you have been given 10 investments without a weight, you divide the 100 by 10 or 1 by 10. You assume equal investment for all the 10. And then we cite certain examples which I have asked Richmond to answer. And then the final one I ask you guys is to solve the example 2. So the example 2, who has finished? If you have finished, you raise up your hand and then you give us your final answer. Yeah, Mercy. Mercy, how much?
14.8.
14.8. Who else?
8.
Okay, good. Who else had 14.8? Okay. Sadiq, Eunice. Good, you did well. So how then did we got this our 14.8? We said that the investment the money we are investing, we invested 60% in A. So A own weight of A is 60%. So just put your 60% here. So you should know that weight of B is 40%. So nobody should tell you that B is 40% because A is 60 and then B is 40. Now, expected return of A. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.14 plus 0.4 multiplied by what? 0.16. So when you finish, you are going to get 0.148. So when you do it like this, this is what you get, 0.148. So that when you convert it, you now get 14.8%. So at the end of the day, you can see that the answer that you had is lying between the 14% and the what? 16%. It's not more than 16, and it is also not less than the 14%. Now, somebody can go like this. You say, oh, 0.6 multiplied by the first one, 14, 0.4 multiplied by the 16. So he will get straight away 14.8% as his or her expected return. Now, let's look at another illustration. So We are looking at another illustration. Example 2A. Mercy, your hand is up.
Sema,
Yes.
please, I want to ask, will it be in a situation whereby you can get exactly at the lowest expected return? For example, if it is a 14, can you do and you get exactly 14?
No, it can't be exact.
So it must always be
In
not less than the lower and then not more than the big.
yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you.
Yes. So this is a question I'm typing for you. So this is the next illustration we'll be looking at. What is the expected return given that portfolio return for A is 14, for B is 16, portfolio return for C is 7, portfolio return for D is 20, and then portfolio return for E is 35. So this is the next illustration we want to look at. So assuming we have an amount of money in which we invest in 5 different equities, and the equities are A, B, C, D, and E, what is the portfolio expected return? Given that A's own is 14%, B's own is 16%, C's own is 7%, D own is 20%, E own is 35%. In the next 2 minutes, I'll require that answer to as well.